Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Know About Embedded System. In this video, we will do some exercises, programming exercises on LPC1768 microcontroller using GPIO. So main intention in this video is to do the programming exercises for GPIO using LPC1768 microcontroller. So without further delay, let us start today's video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and motivate us to create a video like this. So let us start today's video. Programming exercises for LPC1768 microcontroller. Yeah, if you watch our previous video, we have done programming for port 0. If you remember, or if you watch my previous video, in that video I have done one small programming for toggling port 0.0, right? So now we will extend the same idea. Instead of port 0, I will go for port 1. And I will change its position to 1.16. Okay, so I need to toggle, instead of port 0.0, I will toggle port 1.16. Okay, now how to do this? So if you remember, I have explained in one video called as bit masking. If you are, I have a video in my channel, something called as bit masking. So you watch that video. In that video, clearly I have explained how to create a bit masking for different positions. Okay, so by taking that video as a reference here, I'm going to change my port pin numbers and port pin positions here. So now, so main program, everything will be same, but only the change is I'm going to change into GPIO port 1 because I'm going to toggle port 1 this time now. Configure port 1.16 as an output port. The first point here is I need to configure port 1.16 as an output port, and then I have to set port 1.16, and then I need to clear the port 1.16. So what are the changes we have to do? Now wherever GPIO 0 is there, I need to change it to GPIO 1. So I'll just make the change first. Make the changes GPIO 0 to GPIO 1, and then I need to go for 16 positions. I need to go for 16 position. So I'll do the changes in the mask value and mask position. Mask value will be same, and then mask position will be a different. Okay, so this right side, what you're seeing, one left shift of 16, this is going to create the impact on 16 position or 16 port pin of your port 1. Okay, so why it is so? You can just watch my other videos called as a bit masking. In that I have explained clearly how to create a mask. Okay, so if you do this much change, and let us check what will happen in the output. So now I'll just compile and go to debug window and check. Now I kept both here. I'll keep port 0 and port 1 because I need to show you the difference. So what will happen this time? Observe here, the first, this is a port 0 and this is my port 1 here. In the previous program, the port 0.0 was toggling, 0th position of your port 0 was toggling, but in this, whatever we have done the changes, first change what we did is we made it as GPIO 1, and second, that is a one thing, and second thing is we changed the position here. That is, the position is moved to 16. So here you can see here the 16th position of your port 1 it is toggling, right? So this is called as a bit masking. So this part is called as bit masking, and we can create mask at any position using right shift and left shift operations by providing mask value and mask position as an input. Okay, so this is a one input I just wanted to show you, and then I'll go back to the core and I'll do the changes now. Toggle to, this time toggle the second two pins from So I'll do the small changes in the code from P1.16. I want to toggle two pins, that is 0.16 and then P1.16 and then P1.17. I want to toggle two port pins, that is P1.16 and P1.17. How can I do that? So to do that, again, you need to visit our previous video, bit masking. So I'll do the changes directly by taking my previous video reference, and you can watch the video. I'll share the link in the description box. And now what I will do here is I'll just write it like this: 3 left shift of 16. So this 3 left shift of 16, 3 is the 3, whatever you are seeing, 3 left shift of 16. So there are two meanings here. The 3 is a, so 3 is a mask value, and this is a mask position. So just you visit once again my videos. So we have two parameters here. One is a mask value and one is a mask position. So mask position means from which point you need to create a mask, and mask value means how many bits you have to enable. Okay, so in detail you can just watch that video. So this is how it is defined. So 3 left shift of 16 is having two meaning: mask value and mask position. 16 is a position and the mask value is 3 for 2 bit. For 2 bit it is 3. Okay, so let us go back and do the compilation. Yes, compiled successfully, and go to debug window here. And yeah, this time I don't want to touch any port 0, but I'll concentrate only on port 1. Here you can see this time port 1, bit 16 and bit 17, or port 1.16 and 1.17 are getting toggled, right? So this is because of we created a masking here. So this point what you are seeing here, this is called as a masking, and because of this the two bits from 16 and 17 are getting toggled, 16 position and 2 bits. Okay, so this is my second exercise I just wanted to show you. Now I'll go to the third part. I'll create 4 pins, toggle 4 pins which starts from 16. So 16, 17, 18 and 19. So I'll just do the small changes. Toggle the pin numbers 1.16 to 1.19, and the changes are like this: 0xf. And what is this 0xf? Again, you just go and watch my previous video, that is masking, bit masking. In that I have explained very clearly. And let us come here and run the code. So what is happening here, the output? So in the output, we're able to toggle 4 port pins, which starts from 1.16, 17, 18, and 19. So that is again because of masking what we have created in the coding part. 0xf left shift of 16. Okay, so this is called 4-bit masking, and this 4-bit masking we have implementing on GPIO port 1 from 16 position onwards. Okay, so now let us go back to the code and do small changes and check the output. Now I'll change 6 pins, toggle 6 pins which starts from 16, 20 and 21. So that means toggle the port pins, the 6 port pins, P1.16 to P1.21. So now we have to go for 6 port pin toggling. For 6, 3F is the mask value. Okay, so now let us check it and go back to toggle, go back to debug window, and just, I don't want to open again GPIO port 0. I'll just work on, now you can see here. I'm able to toggle 6 port pins, which starts from 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21. Right? 16, 19 up to 19. 2021. Right? This is called 6-bit masking. Again, answer is this one. So this is this statement, what you're seeing, this will create a 6-bit masking, and okay, and it is applied on port 1. Now the last use case, I want to toggle 8 port pins, which starts from 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Now the toggle will happen from 16 to 23. The toggling value, or you can say mask value, is now FF. So FF is a mask value, and just save it and compilation. Okay, so go back to debug window and check the output. Now check here. So 8 port pins are getting toggled. Right. So this is what I just wanted to show you as an extended exercise for your GPIO. So we have created 1-bit masks, and then we have created 1-bit mask in a port 1, then 16th position, then 2-bit, then 3-bit, then 4-bit, then 6-bit, and then finally ending at 8-bit. Okay, I hope this video is clear to all. And with this, I just want to end my video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, and if you feel this video is informative, please like this video and subscribe my channel, know about embedded system. So I'll come up with the next video. Till then, thank you.